Repairing leaking concrete driveways, a case study in waterproofing excellence. A Canberra-based body corporate faced a critical challenge: persistent water leaks and growing stress cracks in their concrete driveway. Traditional repair methods were deemed impractical and costly, leaving them searching for a durable and efficient solution. Enter Stressless Waterproofing and CE Industries, with the key to a successful and long-lasting repair. The challenge: repairing a leaking concrete driveway. The deteriorating driveway presented a multifaceted problem. Multiple leaks, water was seeping through the concrete, creating a safety hazard and potential structural damage. Stress cracks. Existing cracks were worsening, exacerbating the leakage and compromising the driveway's integrity. Cost effectiveness. Finding a budget-friendly solution that wouldn't disrupt daily life for residents was paramount. Durability. The chosen solution is needed to withstand heavy traffic and provide long-term protection against water damage. The solution: a two-pronged approach to repair cracked concrete driveway. 1. How to repair cracked driveway and seal it. Crack repair with Max Joint Elastic Express. This quick setting, high flexibility, and UV-stable cement-based mortar effectively sealed the existing cracks. The Stressless team meticulously prepared the surface, applied the two-component mixture, and ensured proper curing for optimal results. 2. Waterproofing with Max Seal Traffic. This durable and traffic-bearing cement-based waterproofing membrane provides a robust and long-lasting barrier against water infiltration. Applied in 2 coats with Max Mesh reinforcement, Max Seal Traffic created a strong, flexible, and UV-stable surface. The outcome: a restored driveway and happy residents. The combination of Max Joint Elastic Express and Max Seal Traffic delivered exceptional results. Eliminated leaks, water infiltration was completely resolved, safeguarding the building's structure and ensuring resident safety. Enhanced durability. The reinforced driveway now withstands heavy traffic and provides long-term protection against water damage. Cost-effective solution. The innovative approach avoided costly replacements, making it a budget-friendly option for the body corporate. Minimal disruption. The non-toxic nature of the products minimized disruption to residents during the repair process. Improved aesthetics. The textured finish enhanced the driveway's appearance while providing a safe and slip-resistant surface. Cracked concrete driveway repair, a testament to expertise. This successful project demonstrates the effectiveness of OWS, innovative waterproofing solutions in addressing complex challenges. By combining expert application with high-quality products like Max Joint Elastic Express and Max Seal Traffic, OWS delivered a durable, cost-effective, and aesthetically pleasing solution that exceeded the body corporate's expectations. Why choose OWS for supply of repair materials? Proven solutions. OWS offers a wide range of high-performance waterproofing products for various applications. Environmental responsibility. Many OWS products are environmentally friendly and registered with the International EPD system. Expert support. The OWS team provides expert guidance and support to ensure successful project outcomes. Check out the links below or message us to find out more.